Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad model supports iPadOS 15 and backing up. This protects data if anything goes wrong. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power so the install won't pause. Make sure you have 512 GB free. Updates need space to unpack. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to fetch the installer. That kicks off the process because the system checks compatibility and available space before downloading. You tap Download and Install, and the device will validate the package. This verification prevents corrupted installs. Once the download starts, you may see status and estimated time. Be patient. If storage is tight, use offload unused apps or remove videos and large files to reach the needed 512 GB. Make sure to keep the iPad on charger and on Wi-Fi. Interruptions during validation or unpacking can force a restart of the download, which wastes time. You choose Install Now or schedule a convenient time. The iPad will reboot, show the Apple logo, and complete migration. That's normal because system files are replaced. After install, verify the version in Settings General About and open critical apps to confirm data integrity. If the update fails, first restart and retry. If problems persist, connect to a computer and update or restore via Finder or iTunes. Restoring your backup will recover data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.